In this video, I'll show you how to transfer group members to another group on WhatsApp easily. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app. Once you're in, swipe down slightly to reveal the group section. Now, if you want to invite members from one group to another, start by entering the group you want to transfer from. Once inside, tap on the group name at the top, then scroll down to the Members section. Here, look for the option labeled Invite to Group via link. Remember, you need to be an admin of this group to access this feature. It's only available to group creators and admins. Now, tap on that option and you can easily select Copy Link to copy the invitation link to your clipboard. You can then use this link to invite members from any other group or even from your personal chats. To do this, go back to the Groups section and open any group you want to invite people to. For example, let's enter this one. Once you are in, simply paste the link and hit send. Then someone taps on that link, they will be directed to the group where they can join. And that's all there is to it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.